What's going on, guys? So before we start today's vlog, I just want to share with you guys a couple of new wheels that just came in. Well, it came in last week, and I just want to do maybe a sneak peek or a kind of a teaser. But let me just show you guys before we start the vlog. All right, so before we get started and open up the box here, I'm going to put some gloves on because a couple of these wheels are actually spoken for. Don't want to put my fingerprints all over it. Okay, this one is absolutely sick. Let me just kind of move you guys in a little closer. This wheel is it's sick. I kind of wish we can get it for the FL5, but because we're not running like a wide body or anything like that, this wheel won't fit. Originally, this is the one I really wanted. Boom.
Very nice.
Look at this. Absolutely stunning. I don't know if I can do that, but look at this wheel, guys. Sick. This is the Raise 21A, and in the shining bronze. Let me see. I haven't put this down. Kind of low key, kind of jealous. Kind of happy that my friend Jay got a set of these. He ordered them. Well, they were coming in, but he ended up grabbing them. These are the ones I originally wanted on the FL5 in shining bronze. What can I say? This is a stunning wheel. It's been around for a while, but not in this combo. You can get them in bronze. I think silver. They had a gray color, but yeah. Kind of sucks, but absolutely gorgeous wheel. Kind of reminds me of a BBS. Some people would say this is a knockoff or a replica BBS, but I don't think so. Ray's got their own thing going. What do you guys think? This would have been sick on the FL5A. So I know some of you guys are wondering why we can't run this wheel. So based on the setup and the offset and the brakes, you'll end up losing the lip. You won't have enough lip on the FL5 setup. And without the lip, this wheel just doesn't look right. You can probably get it, but it just won't look right. Beautiful. Okay, let me open one more, and then we'll save the rest for an actual unboxing of new wheels for the FL5. So the next one is another absolutely stunning wheel. They just arrived in stock, ready to ship, so there's no wait time, and they're in the perfect fitment for the FL5. 18 by 10 plus 40, so these are all the God specs from the Real Wheel deal. So if you want them, go ahead, hit up Invision Auto Imports, you guys. They're ready to ship pretty much almost every color, except some of the colors are not available, but most of the most common ones, most popular ones are in stock and ready to go. So like I said, hit them up if you guys want them. They're ready to ship. By the way, this set is actually spoken for already for another FL5 owner that's in Saskatoon. This guy has an amazing build. Kind of glad that he went with these wheels. Absolutely stunning. They'll look good on your wheels, on your FL5 too. So let me pull them up for you guys. Boom. Okay, so these are the brand new Z40s in the M spec. In the, Meldon M spec. In the OG bronze. So if you guys are loving bronze, this is the nice matte textured. It's a sick wheel. Thanks. Congratulations to my buddy in Saskatoon. You're gonna love these wheels. Absolutely very light too. Look at this, one hand. These are 18 pounds. Absolutely weightless. No unsprung mass on this one. Whew. Like I said, ready to ship. These are all ready to go. So hit up Invision Auto Imports, you guys, and get yourself a set of these absolutely sick wheels for the upcoming season. Okay, guys, let's get into today's vlog. Yeah. Oof. Amazing. Okay, one more thing. Next week we will do an unboxing for my FL5. Any guesses? Let me know in the comments below. What color, what wheels do you think that's going to go on the FL5? Yeah, so hit that subscribe button, you guys, and follow the channel and follow the build. Let's go. just amazing how it's like a new set of wheels. Just gets you I'm all amped up now, ready for the new season coming up. Just amazing how just something just simple like that just gets you going. Okay. Got all the adrenaline going. Okay, gonna have to move Mr. Banana here. I'm gonna move you aside. You'll always have a place, I think. We're just gonna have to put him up here somewhere for now. But I'll permanently put him there. There we go. Yeah. What's in the box here is let's go over here. All right. Look at this, you guys. Finally got my recall notice for the steering wheel column. It's right here, ready to go. I just got to book it. Should be a very, very straightforward install. Wow. Oh, and on the back, there's anti-seize and instructions. All right, so they gave us some grease so that you don't cross thread. That's what it is for. Now it tells you. And in the instructions, it tells you all the bolts very clearly indicated and in English, which is nice. And the beautiful thing about it is finally they give out your torque specs for all the bolts. Good one for spoon this time. Look at this beautiful stiff plate, you guys. It's not that heavy. Let me go weigh it for you guys, because I know some of you guys are gonna ask me. Okay, so we're gonna weigh it out at 5.3 pounds. So it's 2.4 kilos. So it's not that bad. So we're not adding a whole lot of weight to it. Plus, we're gonna take a couple pounds off the factory ones too, so yeah. So based on the instructions, I gotta remove the Cusco brace. For you guys, it will be just a factory brace just coming across here. So we gotta remove the 4 14 mils, and then the 17 mil, this will come off. And then they say we have to loosen the 17 and the 19. So these will have to come out, and then these factory plates will be replaced with the spoon stiff plates. Okay, next we're gonna remove these 19s. And this 17 here too. There's the factory one. All right, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put these Japanese grease paste on all the factory bolts, and then we'll reinstall the plate. Okay, beautiful spoon plate going back in. I think this is the way it's oriented. Let me grab this bolt, because I think it swings down like this. Hopefully it fits, you guys? Really tight. Let me see. Okay. Because I think once we get these bolts in, it should be. There we go, there's one. Okay, two. And get these locking ones back in. Or actually, we just do that last. So adding that little grease does help you guys. Minimizes cross-threading. Last thing you want to do is cross-thread right now and then call it a day, eh? Kind of leave it a little loose so we get all the bolts in. And we go with your 19 now. Last two bolts. And then we're going to install the factory 14 mils back in here. You're gonna put some grease on this one too. It is nice when everything goes just super smooth, everything goes in well, everything fits perfectly, no headaches, no stress. Have you ever had one of those days where you talk a little too soon and you end up not going as smooth? Okay, one more bolt. There we go, boys and girls. Okay, I had this plate for quite a while now. The only reason why it took me so long to actually install it, because I was waiting for the downpipe and the front pipe. That's what took us so long, because I was trying to source one out, like the one that fits the build. And I didn't know what direction we're gonna go with the turbo, and that's the reason why it took us so long to decide on the downpipe. So just filling you guys in on what's taken so long, why it's taken so long to install certain parts and stuff. That's the reason why. Last but not least, we'll put these bolts back in. Okay, let's torque these down. So the 19s are 72 foot-pounds or 98 Newton meters. All right, so these 17s are 95 Newton meters or 70 foot-pounds. Okay, so these 14s are 29.5 foot-pounds or 40 Newton meters. So the last two 17s on the very end here is 68.5 foot-pounds and 93 Newton meters. All right, so look at that, you guys. Beautiful, solid spoon stiff plate. Very easy install if you got a hoist. It was really quick because I took the under panel off already because I have to do a few other things that are on the way. If you're not installing anything else, reinstall the under tray here and you're all done. Yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. It's kind of a shame that a lot of this beautiful stuff, you don't get to enjoy it, or you don't get to see it on the daily, but because I have mine on the hoist all the time. It's one of the things I pride myself on, and everything's so nice and neat and clean under here. And very nice. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Beautiful. All right, guys, so thanks for making it to the end of the vlog. And if you did, please smash that subscribe button, you guys, and then turn on the notification for all future vlogs with me. So on an end note, the stiff plate itself, you may not feel the difference, or it might not make an impact, but when you combine it with rigid collars, power braces, sway bars, $2,000 strut bar, yeah, $2,000 strut bar, all that combined, you will notice the difference. And that's why I'm super excited to get it out this spring. It's gonna feel like a rocket around the corners, you guys. And once we dial that in with the RSR suspension, just a combination of everything just will make that big of a difference. Super, super excited, you guys. For next week, like I said at the beginning of the vlog, we're gonna go ahead and pick out some new wheels for the FL5, and we're gonna do an install video or an unboxing video or an unveiling video or something like that for you guys next week. We're gonna head out to sub 60, and it's gonna be a super exciting vlog, you guys. So tune in for that. So we'll catch you guys in the next week's vlog. See ya.